Hello students. Today we will talk about our fifth topic, exclamatory sentence, in the chapter direct and indirect. So let's start exclamatory sentence. Look, in the question we have two portions. One is reporting part and another is reported part. If in the part of reported, that is written in inverted commas, if any sentence ends with exclamation sign and begins with what, otherwise how, then such type of sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. A sentence that begins with what, otherwise how, and ends with exclamation sign. So before exclamation sign we can have two words. One, it may be a verb. Before exclamation sign we may have a verb, otherwise we may have subject before exclamation sign. So before exclamation, maybe a subject with main verb is given, may be given, or a single subject may be given. It is not necessary that we always have a verb in exclamatory sentence. So this is the first part of exclamation. In the other part of exclamation we have reported part and reporting part, and in reporting part if we have any interjection, in reported part if we have any interjection, then such type of part is also your exclamatory sentence. So which interjections we have here, such as hooray, wow, alas, etc. If such type of interjections are given in the question and reported part, then such type of sentence is of exclamatory sentence. Now we have the rule. So what is the rule? The first rule is exclamatory sentence is written to show sorrow, surprise, joy, etc. So exclamatory sentence is written to show sorrow, surprise, joy, such type of feelings. What is the second rule? Change what, otherwise how, otherwise interjection in exclaimed and write this exclaimed this exclaimed is a reporting verb, as a reporting verb. So second point is change what, how and interjection in exclaimed. Okay, if what, how and any interjection is given in the question, then change such type of word in the word of exclaimed and write this exclaimed word as a reporting verb in your answer. Now we have the third rule about the use of connector word. Now, third note is that is connector word. In the exclamatory sentence, we have that as a connector word. Now here we have a note. What is the note? The note is what, how, interjection. Shows feelings of sorrow, joy, surprise, etc. So these feelings can be written with reporting verb. So what, how and interjection, if anyone is given in the question out of these three, then these words show feeling of sorrow, joy, surprise, etc. So these feelings can be written with reporting verb. So how can be written this reporting verb? Suppose we write mother exclaimed with surprise that, and this is the other part. So this is the example. In this example, mother is the reporting subject. Now we have changed given what, how, otherwise interjection and reported part. We have changed these words into exclaimed. It is your reporting verb, and reporting verb can be written with feelings. So with surprise. Okay. So our feelings can be written with reporting verb in this way. Here, that is your connector word. This is your connector word. So in such way, we have to write reporting verb and connector word in exclamatory sentence. Now we have the first point when So what is the first point? Condition 1. The condition 1 is with interjection. So if interjection is given in the question, then we have such type of question. The question is, Ashok said hooray, we have won the match. So this is your reported part, hooray, we have won the match. In this sentence, hooray is interjection, and after interjection there is a new sentence, and the new sentence starts with subject and ends with full stop. So if such type of condition is given in the question where we have a full stop with subject, in case this given sentence is assertive. So in this example, when we write the answer, we follow the rule of exclamatory and start our answer with the reporting subject, that is Ashok. Now we have to change the said according to the hooray. So said as a reporting verb will change into exclaimed. Now we have the interjection, it is hooray. Hooray shows our feeling of joy. So hooray shows our feeling of joy, so we write Ashok exclaimed with joy. After joy we use conjunction word because there is no object in the question, so we write here that to combine reporting and reported part. Now hooray has been changed into reporting verb, so it is not present in the question. Now we have the question in assertive form. In assertive form, in the beginning we have we. We is the first person pronoun and it is the plural in number. It is plural in number. And first person pronoun always change with the reporting subject. So reporting subject is Ashok, and Ashok belongs to masculine gender. And masculine gender, for masculine gender we use he pronoun. Now we is plural, so we have to write the plural pronoun of he, it is they. So here we will change according to the Ashok plural noun, Ashok plural pronoun, and it is they. Now verb have, it is changed always into had, then we write won and other part of the sentence and end our answer with full stop. So in such way we have to give the answer. It is very easy. Only here we have an interjection. Interjection is given, then change the interjection into reporting verb exclaimed, then don't use again interjection in your answer. According to this interjection, use your feeling. So hooray shows the feeling of joy, so I write here exclaim with joy. Then combine the both sentence with connector word, it is that. Then change the we, it is first person, and first person will change according to the reporting subject, it is Ashok. Here we is the plural subject, so make the plural pronoun of Ashok, so it is they. Now write the they as a subject, then have will change into had, won is also third form, then the match is a noun, so there is no change in the noun in reported part. So this is the first condition of exclamatory sentence. We will continue the second and third condition in the next video. Thank you.